Let's spend a day with Emma and listen to some of the conversations from her daily life.
Hey, Emma. Good to see you.
Hey, Mary. How are you today?
Great, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. Wow, it sure is windy today.
Yeah, I heard that there is a storm coming in tonight. Anyhow, where are you heading now?
I am going to the pharmacy to pick up a few things. And you?
I am on my way to the school to pick up my children. They had a club activity this morning, but they get out in a few minutes.
I guess you have to hurry. Nice to see you.
You too. Let's get together soon. I will text you tonight.
Perfect. Take care.
Scene 2. Filling a prescription.
Good morning, Emma. What can I do for you today?
I need to get this prescription filled.
Sure. This will just take a moment. Here it is. Please take one tablet 3 times a day after eating. Is there anything else?
Yes. I need some masks that I can wear at the office. Which ones are best?
Let's take a look. These N95 masks have 95% efficiency.
Do you have them in any other colors?
We also have black and pink colored masks in stock.
Okay. I guess I will take a box of these black masks. They should be easy to color coordinate with my clothes.
Will that be all for today?
There is one more thing. I am running low on multivitamins. Do you have any recommendations?
This brand is the most popular for women your age. It is high in iron and folic acid.
Okay. I suppose I should stock up. I'll take 3 bottles of those.
Let me see. Your total comes to $87.50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay in cash.
Thanks. Hope to see you again soon.
Scene 3. Stopping off for a coffee.
Hello, Emma. What can I get for you today?
Hey Sam. I think I'll just have the usual.
Sure. A tall Americano with a blueberry bagel. That will be $11.75.
Thanks. Can you put it on my card? Hi Samantha. Do you mind if I join you?
Have a seat. What brings you here today?
I'm on my way home from shopping and needed some caffeine. What are you looking at on the computer?
I'm checking out some information about the latest smartphone models.
Are you thinking about upgrading?
Yes. My phone is almost 5 years old, and the battery is having problems.
And your screen is cracked.
Anyhow, I really like the new Model 13 Pro from Banana.
I have a B phone. I really like it, but it was a bit expensive.
Everyone seems to recommend the B phone. Anyhow, I am going to do some more research online and hope to get a new phone next week.
If you are going to the banana store, let me know and maybe I'll come with you. I want to look at the new banana notebook computer while we are there. I need to replace my laptop.
Sounds good. And after that maybe we can drop in at that new Italian restaurant nearby.
I heard that their fried calamari is wonderful.
Scene 4. Talking with her husband at home.
I'm back.
How was your day?
It was good. I ran into Mary this morning. We really should invite her and her family over here sometime. I think you would really enjoy meeting her husband.
Why is that?
Well, you are both working in sales, and you are also both huge football fans.
Cool. Well, the weather is getting warmer recently, but it is still a little chilly in the evening. Let's wait another month or so, and invite them over for a barbecue when it is a little warmer.
Okay. Maybe we can try that new recipe for tandoori chicken that I found the other day.
All this talk about food is making me hungry. What do you feel like for dinner?
I want something spicy. Any ideas?
I could make some tacos.
Yes. And some quesadillas too.
Let me check the fridge and then I will hit the supermarket to pick up whatever we need.
While you are there, could you also pick up a few avocados? I think I will make some guacamole.
Perfect. Okay, I will be back in about half an hour. Text me if you think of anything else that you want me to pick up.
Will do. Drive safely.
Scene 5. Cleaning up after dinner and watching TV.
I am stuffed. I couldn't possibly eat another bite.
Me neither. Would you like some dessert? I picked up some cookies and cream ice cream at the supermarket.
Maybe later. Thanks again for cooking tonight. The tacos were delicious.
So was your guacamole. We are a great team in the kitchen.
Speaking of which, let's clean up the kitchen and then relax for a while. It has been a long day.
Okay. I'll wash the dishes if you clear the table. When I'm finished, would you like to take a walk around the neighborhood?
I have been on my feet all day. My feet are killing me.
In that case, let's just have a cup of coffee on the couch.
That sounds nice. Maybe we can watch the first episode of the new Game of Thrones spin-off.
The prequel? Yeah, what was the name of that again?
It is called House of the Dragon. The early reviews are really positive.
Perfect. Let's hurry up and get this kitchen cleaned up. I am ready to watch some dragons.
Me too. Thanks for spending the day with me. I am looking forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.